Un pasito pa'lante, María. Un, dos, tres. Un pasito para atrás.
1, 2, 3. Un vacilo delante, María. 1, 2, 3. Un vacilo para atrás. Hey guys, it's BrittanyBearMakeup here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have an event to go to later on and I thought, why not show you guys my makeup for tonight's event? I wanted to go for a very fresh, simple, fun, youthful look today because I am a year older. I'm also going to be showing you my super cute outfit that I got from Good American. So I'm going to show you guys my full outfit as well as my makeup. So make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you can be a part of my Bear family. Like, share, comment, and as always guys, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching as I show you guys how we get ready for tonight's event.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright Bear fam, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this video off a little bit different than I normally start my makeup tutorials. So I did want to say that I went ahead and linked up with Good American to show you today's beautiful pieces. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with Good American, it was actually founded by Khloe Kardashian and Emma Grede. I believe that's how you say it. Could be Grede, but I could be wrong. This is basically a brand that really thrives off making amazing denim and clothing that are gonna fit every body shape, every body type, and that are gonna have sizes for literally everyone. So I went ahead and chose this really sexy, very simple bodycon bodysuit. So here it is. You guys can see the material is super beautiful. It's like a very thick yet stretchy material. So it holds me in at the waist and it just really accentuates my non-existent curves and I love it. I fell in love with the back of this bodysuit. I feel like bodysuits can get very repetitive and boring sometimes. So I loved the embellishment they had going on in the back. I love that it was crisscross and I love that it just had like these almost broken shards of glass looking type of design. It took something that was super simple that I would technically wear all the time and it just kind of made it look a little bit more extra fabulous, but it definitely really just enhanced my body and I love that. So the next item that I went ahead and chose for tonight's event was their denim. To be honest guys, denim is a staple piece in my wardrobe. I probably wear denim 90% of my life, so I take it very serious when I look for denim. I want to make sure that it's going to last a really long time, the quality is going to look good, and it can literally go with any outfit that I put together. So the Good American denim, what's really cool about it is that it has such a variety of sizes, which is amazing because that means it can pertain to literally all of us out there who want to wear a nice pair of denim. No one is left out in this line. What I also love about it is that all of their denim is made high-waisted. So that means you are literally going to be sucked and tucked in throughout the day. You're not going to have to worry about bending over and showing your chonies to the whole world because this pair of denim literally has you on lockdown. I'm obsessed. Like the quality of the denim is super thick. It has a little stretch to it as well, which I do like. It's one of those materials that it's going to stretch with your body, but it's also going to go back as soon as you wash them. So those were the two pieces that I went ahead and pulled from Good American for today's outfit. I just fell in love with it. I love the way that the denim made my butt look. I love the way that it literally just sucked me in on my love handles and just kind of created a more hourglass figure for myself. So with that being said, Good American was kind enough to give my Bear family a discount of 20%. I do have a coupon code with them, so you can go ahead and use it. It's going to be listed right here, as well as in the description below. You guys will receive a whopping 20% off any full price item on the website, and you will also get free shipping on any $100 or more that you spend. So Bear family, stop what you're doing, go online or click the links below that I have in the description so you guys can go ahead and shop today's look. With that being said, Bear family, I am now going to show you guys how to get this beautiful soft glam. So let's get started. Alright Bear fam, so I'm going to show you guys my makeup look for tonight's event. I really wanted to go for something very fresh faced, very clean looking, nothing too dramatic or too crazy. So that is the makeup look we are going to be doing today. So to begin this makeup look, I want to prime my face. So I'm going to be using my ColourPop All-Star Matte Blur Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to all the areas of my face that I get a little bit more oily. So I'm just going to rub it all in. So now that I went ahead and I rubbed this bad boy in, I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation. I went ahead and picked up this foundation. This is from YSL and I've been using this and I'm seriously so obsessed. I didn't think I was going to be able to find another foundation that would make me this happy, but this foundation is beautiful. So this is shade number BD50, which is Warm Honey. I'm going to go ahead and begin by applying this to all the areas of my face. So I'm gonna be applying this everywhere. I have like a really red nose, so make sure I make that look good. So I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and I'm gonna go ahead and begin by patting this into my skin. And I just love how this has so much coverage to it, but it also is very lightweight. It doesn't feel super heavy or thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat this bad boy out. Definitely making my skin look hydrated and very fresh. And the next step is going to be to highlight my face. And for this, I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape as usual, guys. This is in the shade medium though. Because I am a little bit more tan, I'm gonna use this and bring light to my face. So I'm gonna start by applying this underneath my eyes. And I'm applying a lot because I wanna make sure that I look fly at this event. So I'm over here applying it upwards towards the end of my brow to just create that nice elongated cheekbone and under eyes that just pop at you. I'm applying this to my chin, got on my lip, and on the corners of my mouth. I'm then going to be applying this bad boy onto the bridge of my nose, and on the lower part of my forehead, I just like to kind of fan the product out like that. I'm going to bring this in a little bit more. This is what we're looking like, guys. Then taking my damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and begin by buffing this and patting it into my face. So this is typically the makeup look that I go for. It's just very effortless, enhancing all my features, but not taking too much away from that. So I am excited for you guys to finally see this look, and then you guys will know how to make it look poppin' on yourselves. All right, so we're almost done patting this out. All right, so here's what I'm looking like now that I went ahead and I applied my highlight to my face. I am now going to be setting my foundation. So for today, I'll be going into my KKW Beauty Setting Powders, and this is the baking powder shade number 2. Number 2, once again, has that beautiful like light yellow undertone, which is something that I really like to use when I'm a lot more tan because I feel like it just complements my skin tone. So taking that same damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and pack this underneath my eyes onto the other side as well. I love this part because I feel like my nose just kind of like, it just appears smaller and it makes me feel so excited. Down the bridge of my nose as well. I have a little mini nose. On the lower part of my forehead, the chin, and underneath my cheekbones just to kind of reverse contour and really structure out those cheekbones. So the next step is going to be for me to take a bronzer and really just bronze out and sculpt out my cheekbones and the rest of my face. So for that, I'll be using my Urban Decay bronzer. This is Beached Bronzer. And I found a new favorite brush, guys. This is a Sigma brush. I showed it to you in one of my past videos. It's the F30 brush, super soft. And I feel like my bronzer actually goes on so smooth and flawless. It's like a very smooth brush. So I'm gonna begin by just kind of sculpting out those cheekbones. Just kind of buffing this powder in on both sides and really just warming up my face. Something like this brush, because it's so soft, it really gives you that very flawless finish when it's blending into your skin. I've used brushes before that really just give me these harsh streaks on my face, so this definitely is a beautiful brush to blend bronzer. Alrighty guys, so now that I went ahead and I applied my bronzer, I'm quickly gonna go off camera and contour my nose. You guys already know that I have a nose contouring video that I show you guys step by step how to snatch your nose and make it look extremely tiny. So if you guys are interested in that, don't forget to click this link right over here and check out my nose contouring video. I'll see you guys in a second when I look like Michael Jackson. Alright guys, so I am back. I went ahead and quickly contoured my nose using my brushes. It is now time for me to take off any excess translucent powder. So taking that same Sigma brush, I'm going to go ahead and just begin by swooping away that translucent powder, and on the other side as well. Just kind of want to make sure you blend the excess powder into your skin so that there's no harsh separation between the contour and the actual setting powder. So I'm just making sure that I'm going in and really just buffing that. So the next step is going to be to add a blush. So I'll be picking out my Benefit blush, and to be honest, there's like 20 names on this blush, so I'm a little confused as to what it's called. You guys already know, you can find it in the description below. By the way guys, I'm gonna start adding links to all of the makeup products that I find. So make sure you guys check the description below so that you guys can have direct links and purchase some of the products that I use in today's video. So I'm gonna pick up that same Sigma brush and I'm going to pack this on to the brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and begin by pressing this into my cheek, and just right here on the apple of my cheek, I'm applying the product and kind of just buffing it into the contour. Really like this shade. Alright guys, so now that I went ahead and I applied my blush and we have cheekbones now, we are ready to add some highlight. So I am going to be using this beautiful highlight. This one is called Persona. This is from Persona Cosmetics and it's called Cali Glow Highlighter in the shade Zuma. So I'm going to begin by applying a little bit with my finger to actually the tip of my nose. This always just gives that little upward lift. And then I'm also going to be applying this on the bridge of my nose as well, just to kind of lighten up. So now that I applied it onto my nose, I'm going to take that same Sigma brush because it's so pigmented. I'm just going to use it and apply it on the high points of my cheekbone. And then I like to put a little bit on my forehead and then on the other side as well. And my Cupid's bow. So now that I went ahead and I applied that highlighter and I am glowing brighter than my own future, it is now time to go off camera for a second just to fill in my brows. I am going to be filming an updated brow tutorial very soon. So I'm excited to show you guys a very simple, bushy brow that I've been going for. But in today's video, I'm going to do that off camera. And when I return, we're going to finish off this very simple, fresh face look. See you guys in a second. I am back, so I went ahead and went off camera to finish off my eyebrows, which I will be showing you guys in a different video another time. So for the eyeshadow today, I wanted to keep it extremely simple and extremely easy. So I'm actually going to be using this baked bronzer once again. I'm actually just going to begin by swooping this across my eyelids, not really caring too much if it's blended or not. I mean, you should care, but I don't. And I'm going to do that on the other side, just to kind of warm up my eyelids and just make them look fierce. As you guys can see, a very simple step, and it's just gonna warm up your face and give it a little bit more dimension. So the next step is going to be to take my mascara. For today, I'll be once again using my Lancome mascara. I really like the bristles of it. It is the Mongia Big Waterproof Lancome mascara. I'm gonna be grabbing the little spoolie and just begin by applying a thin layer onto my lashes, and then as well as onto the bottom lashes. Alrighty guys, we just finished off the mascara and this is what it looks like. We are looking great. We are almost there. We have a couple more steps. So I did want to show you guys the strip of lashes. This is what they look like. Very, very beautiful wispy lashes. I actually cut them midway just to give me a little bit of flutter and action in the corner of my eye. So that is what I have right here. They are already pre-cut. Gonna let these bad boys dry and then I'm gonna stick it on my eye. I just love how dramatic they are. Ooh, she did that. Alrighty, now that I applied one lash on, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same step on the other side. I'm just obsessed. I feel like this is what makes me feel so good. All right, guys, so we're getting close to the end. And one of the next steps, this is something that I recently started doing, and you guys do not have to do it, but I like to pretend I have moles on my face because I do. So I'm gonna be taking my Perversion eyeliner, and this is a black eyeliner. I probably should be using brown, but oh well, breaking rules. So I'm gonna use this bad boy, and I actually have a mole right here. People always think it's like a bump, but it's not. It's a beauty mark, everyone. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of darken it a little bit. I know that's so random, and you guys are probably like, why are you doing that? I don't know. I just want to. I wanna have moles. Just let me live. And then I also have one on my eye right over here that I'm just gonna enhance, you know. You guys do not have to draw moles on your face, by the way. This is definitely optional, and it's something that I've been doing, so I'm just gonna keep on doing me. You guys keep on doing you. We'll meet halfway. Call it a day. All right, guys, so we are almost done with this look. The final step for it is obviously going to be the lips, which is my favorite part because this is where I feel like I come most to life. So for today, I'm actually gonna be using my KKW Beauty lip liner. This one is in shade Numero Dos, number 2. And I'm gonna begin by outlining my lips. And I'm just gonna kind of fill in my lip a little. Once I went ahead and I finished off my lips, I'm going to be taking my JOUER gloss. This is Maiden Lane, which is one of my favorites, and I'm going to be applying this onto my lips. It's a beautiful neutral lip gloss that I love. Alright guys, so to finish off today's look, I'm going to go ahead and take my setting spray. This is my Hangover 3-in-1 Too Faced setting spray. I'm going to protect my eyes. Alrighty, Bear fam, so here is the final makeup look. I hope all of you guys love this look. It's super fun, super fresh, and I love how it turned out. I feel like it's so easy, and definitely you guys can recreate it. And if you do, make sure you tag me in it. So guys, with that being said, don't forget to give this video a big ol' thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always, guys, hit that subscribe button. And I will see all of my Bear family in the next video. Bye, guys.